titled
The Mastermind. Talent, the treasure of inborn ability, the inner gift of capability, like a flower blossoms in a bud. Talent grows in branch. Imagination's past existence and thoughts, inventing, implementing intelligence thought. Critical thinking and performance excellence. Talent embodies the steadiest lens.
A treasure without which development withers. Dormant talent, like seeds that never flourish. Doomed will our progress be if we don't nurture the mind. Drawn like a heavy stone, our potential left behind. Dragged shall the economy be if we don't nurture the mind. A dismal fate if talent is not freed.
Listen to the call of the creative soul. He claims to evolve the inborn, inbuilt goal. Enrich is Uganda, and love Ugandans, with varieties of untapped potential, engulfing growth, varying in talents, while effect on the poor economy, while internal resources rest, talent sleeps.
Take on the aptitude to task. Test the runner to pace, trot and race. Test the writer to jot, scribble in script.
Oh yes.
Trigger the musician to compose, compile and produce.
Compile and produce.
Encourage the designer to enhance the art of fashion.
The fashion.
Empower the chef to feed, the craftsman to knit and knot. Give a hand.
Give a shoulder.
Bring the prosper closer. Motivate.
To maintain.
Sustain.
To entertain. Creativity.
Watazamajini, washikazi wazuri wa vipaji, inukeni, tembeeni kazini, tumlize ujadifu wa umali. Tumliza ujadifu wa umali, tembea ositwani, tumliza kukaza, watazamaji tupo, inuka.
Inuka. Like a flowering plant, shove the creative economy plant, sourcing resources in quantity and quality, soaring surprise to heights, from unemployment to employment, taking poverty to parity. So, shall we buy Uganda to build Uganda? Uganda, Kenya, Tanzania, and all the East African countries embrace talent for the creative economy.